us understand the definition of IoT. Right. So what is IoT? Basically, IoT is a network infrastructure. It is a network infrastructure. Infrastructure. It is a network infrastructure. Right. How it is? It is spread across global. It is spread across global. It is not limited to a country, right? It is not limited to a country, or it is not limited to a market. It exists across the globe. It exists across the globe. It means I am able to communicate with a device, right? Even which is located in, say, for as per say USA, right? Or it is in UK, I should be able to communicate with that device. So, what you should understand, it is a global network infrastructure. Right? Network means you understand? Right? These are network means the devices. Right? The devices are connected to each other, to share the information, to communicate. Right. Basically, today, what is the network infrastructure we have? Today we have the network infrastructure that is internet, which is based on TCP/IP protocols. This is already important. Right. Today's network infrastructure is internet, which is based on TCP/IP protocol. Right. So, IoT is a global network infrastructure. One more word I am going to add, it is dynamic. So it is dynamic global network infrastructure. Why the word dynamic? Yes, as simple as it is keeps on changing. It keeps on changing. More devices will be added. New technology will be added. Right. So, hence it is dynamic. When we discuss in detail the characteristics of IoT, we'll also be seeing more what is dynamic. Right. So, what is IoT? IoT is a dynamic global network infrastructure. This you should know. Basically, you have understood it is a network infrastructure. Right. This network infrastructure spread across the globe. Right. And it keep on changing. New devices will be added, new technologies will be added. Right. So this is dynamic. Now, what is the second part of this definition? With self-configuring property, or it will call it as a capability. With the self-configuring capability. Any network update comes, it has to update itself. Any software patch has arrived, the device has to update itself. See, which device we are talking about? We have seen in embedded system definition, yes or not? That device which is connected to the internet. Now what we need, it should have self-configuring capability. Even in your mobile phones, in your laptops, the update happens periodically, yes or no? Whenever you connect a mouse or you connect a USB drive to your laptop, right, the driver installs. In the background, the operating system installs the drivers. What does it mean? It means it is self-configuring. Either it could be network configurations or it could be any software configurations. Our devices should have self-configuring capability. In the definition itself, we are seeing the characteristics. If you ask me, right, in the definition itself, we are seeing the characteristics. What is the definition? Few unique characteristics is a definition. Basically, whenever we say definition, what does it mean? few unique characteristics are going to become the definition. Right. Now, which is the third part? Based on standard and interoperable interoperable communication protocols. What does our device need to have? It should be based on standard and interoperable communication protocols. I should have standard protocols also. I should have interoperable protocols also. What does the word standard mean here? Officially accepted, widely used. For example, USB protocol, you have Bluetooth protocol. Bluetooth in India is same, Bluetooth in USA is same. Standard. For example, if you take the example of a physics, any physical quantity, 1 kg here is same, 1 kg in US is same. These are standard, widely accepted, widely used. Right. And interoperable protocols also. Not only standard, our IoT systems are not only based on standard, but also interoperable protocols. One device is communicating with a gateway, right? Again, gateway, for few it may be a new word, for few it may be knowing, right? You may be already knowing. But for example, right, one device is connected using Bluetooth. Another place, the device is connected using Wi-Fi. There is a different protocol. Yes or no? But still, our IoT devices should be able to communicate. The device is connected to a network with Bluetooth. Another device is connected to the network with Wi-Fi. Still, they should be able to communicate. That is interoperable. For example, you are wearing an Apple Watch. It is measuring your heart rate, or it is measuring your daily steps. You are uploading it to the cloud. Right? Your friend, right, who is using a Samsung mobile, right, he is using Android operating system. Still, he should be able to, right, access that data. He should be able to access that data. Another example of interoperability. Is this idea clear? Right? Have you seen? Right? Now you should be able to remember. Right? Don't think again I go to home and I will learn once again. So clear? I am explaining with practical examples. What is the first thing? It is a network infrastructure which is dynamic, which is global. Right? With the self-configuring capabilities. Any network updates, any software updates, right? Any security updates, everything should happen on its own self. There should not be involvement of human beings again and again, because here there are thousands, millions of devices. Right. So these are based on standard and also interoperable communication protocols. And again here one more aspect. Right. One more aspect is here. Every physical thing, virtual thing, have attributes. What does it have? Every physical and virtual thing have attributes, identities. Have identity, right, and virtual personality. In this IoT world, In this IoT world, every physical thing, every virtual thing are communicated, don't worry. Have attributes. Attributes means what? Characteristics. Have identity. Have their own identity and virtual personality. Let us understand this with the help of the examples. The best. You know about Ola and Uber taxi service. That's all. Yes. Ola and Uber basically are the service, whatever you refer. Right? It is a physical thing. It is connected to the internet. You can access in your mobile. Where is that location? Yes or no? Yes. How far it is? Yes. It has an attribute, like it has its own unique like white color. Which color? Is it a car? Is it a auto? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Who is the driver? Right. Have any identity? The vehicle number? Yes or no? Yes. Have attributes? How? The identity, vehicle number. Attributes like how much distance, how far it is. If it is your self car, right? Nowadays we are accessing, right? If our cars are also connected to the internet, by sitting in the home you can see how much battery is left, how much distance it can cover, tire pressure monitoring, all the four wheels have tire pressure, desired tire pressure, all those attributes we can check of a physical thing, right? Virtual thing. For example, you have stored a MP3 song in your mobile. It is a virtual thing. Yes. You people are able to understand what is a physical thing and what is a virtual thing. Yes. The thing that exists in the physical world, the thing that exists in the digital world, we are going to call it as a virtual thing. Right. They also have attributes. For example, you have MP3 song in your laptop, or your friend has sent a clip, audio clip. How much time? What is its size? All things are its attributes. Right. Nowadays we have chatbots. You access it, like for example, you have any banking problem, you have a chatbot. You have a chatbot. That is a virtual thing. Right. It has attributes. It has attributes. Then, right, and have virtual personality. When these things are able to take decisions and influence you, we are going to call it as a virtual personality. Right. Alexa is your virtual personality. Right. For example, in your home, you have a water heater. You have a water heater which is an Internet thing. It will understand. It will understand. Now it is winter. It is winter hardly. We have 12 degrees Celsius outside. It will hit the water accordingly. It will hit the water accordingly. When it is summer, it is too hot outside. It will heat the water accordingly. So these are the examples of the virtual personality. When the virtual thing, right, has the capability to take the decision according to the human need, we are going to call it as a virtual personality. Is it clear now? The four aspects of the definition: 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one. Seamlessly, right? Seamlessly connected to the information network. Right. So, what is the best of the seamlessly spelling?
Okay, it is A.
Seamlessly connected to the information network. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Right. So I have a vehicle, or let us say forest fire detection system. In a forest, fire has occurred. When should I know? Yeah, tell me. When a fire has occurred in the forest, when should I know? For example, we are a fire extinguisher people. We are from fire extinguisher department. Immediately I should know. Immediately I should know. Yes or no? Now suppose the information network is not good. It is not connected seamlessly. There is an interrupt in the connectivity. There is an interrupt in the connectivity. After half an hour, connection has established. Then I have received the information that forest has occurred. But how much loss? So what is another characteristic? It should connect seamlessly. Means what? Continuously. Continuously. Uninterrupted. 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 Why all these things? To share the information about user and its environment. Why all these things is happening? Ultimately, to share the information about the user and its environment. Right. To share the information, to share the data. Right. So we have different definitions. We can see what whenever data is processed, it will become information. A meaningful data will become a information. Clear?
Yes.
User data. For example, if it is a user data, it could be heart rate. It could be heart rate. About in environment, as we have seen, forest fire detection system. Clear? So, this is the definition of IoT as per the textbook. The textbooks has referred it from, the reference has been given because I am recording it. Sometimes if it goes online, I should be ethical. It is IERC, European Cluster, Internet of Things, European Research Cluster, IERC. IERC, Internet of Things, European Research Cluster. In 2004, they have given this definition. Right. This is like the preamble of the Internet of Things. Whenever you are doing any project, when you say, sir, it is Internet of Things project, you should understand that your project, in order to call it as an Internet of Things project, it should be able to fulfill all these characteristics. All these characteristics. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now pause it. Pause or off.